Hey guys, welcome to Bestsub TV. I'm Katrina. Today, let me introduce our new stainless steel travel tumbler. There are 3 sizes available: 30 ounce, 80 ounce, and 22 ounce. And they are double wall design and can keep a suitable temperature for drinking. And this is a versatile lip. The flea lip you can drink water directly, and the straw lip you can drink with the straw. And this is a rubbery inside the lip. They are leak-proofed, and the wide mouth aluminum design can allow you clean the tumbler easily. And the tumbler shapes can fit most cup holders, so they are very convenient for you to carry them. All of them can be sublimated with VV patterns. Okay, now let's go ahead and get started.